Welcome to NeoEnglish, your go-to podcast for learning English through real-world conversations. Today, we have an interesting story from Hollywood. It's about Disney's new live-action version of Snow White and some controversy around it.
That's right. This movie is based on Disney's 1937 classic animated film, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. But now, the live-action version is making headlines, not just for the story, but for some drama surrounding its premiere.
Yes, a premiere is the first time a movie is shown to the public. Usually, there's a big event with actors, reporters, and lots of excitement. But for this movie, Disney has decided not to allow journalists on the red carpet.
That's unusual. The red carpet is the place where actors stop to take pictures and talk to the media before the movie starts. It's a big part of Hollywood culture.
Right. And because reporters won't be there, people are wondering why. Some think the studio is trying to avoid difficult questions or negative publicity.
Publicity means attention from the media and the public. It can be good or bad. For example, if a new restaurant has good publicity, many people will want to eat there. But if it has bad publicity, people may stay away.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about Martin Kleba. He is an actor in Snow White, and he spoke about this controversy.
Controversy means a public disagreement or debate. If people strongly disagree about something, it becomes controversial. For example, if a school decides to ban mobile phones, some students may agree while others strongly disagree.
Good example. So Martin Kleba thinks Disney is making changes to the film because they are afraid of criticism.
Criticism means negative opinions or judgment. If you say a restaurant's food is too salty, that's criticism. Another example is when a teacher gives feedback on your homework and points out mistakes. That's constructive criticism.
And constructive criticism is when feedback helps someone improve. In this case, though, some people believe the criticism of Snow White is not constructive. It's just complaints.
The debate is also about whether Disney has changed too much from the original Snow White story. Some fans feel the movie is not staying true to the classic tale.
Staying true means keeping something the same as the original idea. For example, if a new version of a song sounds exactly like the old one, it stays true to the original. But if it sounds completely different, it does not.
That helps us understand why some people are upset. They love the classic version and want a live-action movie to be similar.
Now, let's review some key words we learned today.
First, we talked about premiere. A premiere is the first public showing of a movie.
Then we explained red carpet. The red carpet is the place where actors and celebrities walk before a big event.
We also discussed publicity. Publicity means attention from the media and public. It can be good or bad.
Another word was controversy. This means a public debate where people have strong opinions.
And we learned about criticism. Criticism is negative opinions or judgment about something.
Lastly, we talked about staying true. If something stays true, it remains close to the original.
Let's put it all together in a short story. Imagine a new bakery opens in town. At the premiere of the bakery, the owner invites people to try free samples. The chefs stand on a red carpet in front of the store for a grand opening. There is a lot of publicity and many newspapers write about it. But then, a controversy starts because the bakery doesn't sell traditional cakes, only healthy cakes with no sugar. Some people give criticism, saying it's not a real bakery. Others say the shop is staying true to its unique idea.
That's a great way to remember these words. We hope this helps you understand the Snow White news and also improves your English.
Thanks for listening to NeoEnglish. Keep practicing, and have a wonderful day.